July 1st, 2020. Leo's most recent Lego box. Lego box.
Okay. Well, this thing doesn't have a lid because the lid doesn't come off. Bottom doesn't come off. Though there is this weird thingy,
Looks like a drawer.
but it doesn't move. So,
shake it. Anything shake out?
but there is a lot of weird cracks. Ooh, this is interesting. And then this is interesting. Maybe this comes off.
Oh, and reveals. Beautiful.
Oh, wait, what?
Did slide a second ago. Now it's locked.
Oh.
So, what's the hidden
Doesn't
reveal
slide,
there?
slides, doesn't slide, and slides.
Slides.
So,
There must be a locking mechanism in the form of
dice.
Dice!
Which also can be used for different things.
Putting stuff in.
And inside the main compartment is a deck of cards. Perfectly sized for a deck box.
If you want to carry different things.
Cool! This is very pretty.
If you just put in one dice, and do this. If you tip the dice, it goes until here because that's how much the dice is stopping it. But you just tip it. Then this can be, there can be more dice, but here.
Cool.
These don't lock, but they can hold dice.
So you could have 8, no more.
12.
12 dice. Cool!
Yay!
Yay, Lego box. Over and
Out.
out.
Huh?
Beep, beep.